Hi guys, my name is Dennis and I'm a real estate agent in Dubai. If you're new to this channel, over here I'm trying to help investors to understand better the real estate industry in this city. Today I'm going to tell you about one technology that the land department will implement in its operation. And again, Dubai government is going ahead of any other governments by implementing the innovation technology in the operations. So today we're going to speak about the blockchain and what does it mean to you as an investor. What is the blockchain? Blockchain basically is the technology that helps to register the transactions, to keep the information about the transactions. And yes, we used to have a lot of other different ways to keep the information about the transactions, but in the blockchain you can add the information, but you cannot adjust anything over there. So nobody can really change anything in the previous transaction. So in case if the new transactions is being registered in the blockchain, it will stay there forever and nobody can remove it or adjust it. Later on we will discuss about it, what does it mean to the real estate sector. But yes, this word, the blockchain, is very popular right now, and basically it came to us through the cryptocurrency. So the Bitcoin as a cryptocurrency is based on the blockchain, and it's a blockchain that gives this power to the cryptocurrency. And now a lot of companies and the governments as well are keep on implementing the blockchain to its operations because it gives a lot of benefits to the companies and to the governments as well. And by the way, Dubai is planning to transfer all the government operations to the blockchain by 2020. So everything will be online, secured, and you will not have any papers. So doesn't matter which paper you need to take from the government now, all this will be only online in the future, including the title deeds as well. So what does the blockchain gives to the real estate industry? First, and like the main point, maybe it's the safety. Right now the system is quite safe, but with the blockchain it will be close to impossible to hack it. It will be very, very difficult. Second point is that it's transparency. You will be able to see the previous transactions of different units. You will basically know for how much it was bought 3 years ago or 2 years ago, and it will give you a good understanding of the market. Beside this, beside the recording of the transactions, the blockchain will unite under one system different entities like the land department, the DIVA, the internet providers, Ijari for the tenants. So now when somebody wants to sell, they have to go to the developer, get the NOC, go to the bank, get the permission from the bank, and basically they need to make 4 or 5 stops before they can make a transaction. But with the blockchain everything will be in one system, and in the system it will be possible to quickly check if everything is okay. Is there any pending fees on this property? Is there any outstanding amount that needs to be paid for the mortgage? If not, the transaction will just not pass. But if yes, you will get the transaction instantly. And at this stage it's not discussed yet, but with the blockchain as well it will be possible to regulate the relationship between the developer and an investor. Like in the system they can put a code that says that in case if the project reached a specific level, you need to deduct this amount of money from the bank of the investors, and they will be sure that their interest is protected. And for the tenants, when they will move into the property, they will not have to go to the DIVA to connect the DIVA, to connect Ijari, and to connect DO. No, they will just submit the documents. On some stage it's as well, everything will be done online, the signature on the document. And yeah, the DO, the DIVA, and some other services that you wish, they will be connected automatically as well. You will not have to go to some other places. And this technology, this system will as well check what is the status of the visa, do you have to renew it, do you need to do something with your bank account, and other things. So the blockchain gives a lot of information, a lot of security, and it saves lots and lots of time. If you're interested in this topic, I can describe a little bit more, maybe with some drawings of how it works, but I'm very excited about the blockchain, and I'm very happy that Dubai government start to implement it, and they start to implement it in my industry, in the real estate segment. So guys, if you will have any other questions regarding the blockchain or any other topics related to the real estate industry in Dubai, please feel free to get in touch with me. I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.